Thank you for joining us today. Over the next 6 minutes, we'll review information that demonstrates why women's healthcare is an area that will demand greater focus in the coming years. We'll also discuss how CooperSurgical can help you find that focus and how we can support your overall efforts to reduce costs while still delivering quality healthcare to women. You may know CooperSurgical for some of the market-leading brands that we manufacture, many of which are listed here. Despite CooperSurgical's products being so prevalent in the marketplace, few people realize the extent and breadth of our product offering. We currently produce over 600 clinically relevant medical devices used by women's healthcare providers, whether it's in their offices, operating rooms, labor and delivery suites, or in reproductive in vitro fertilization clinics. It would be unusual to find an OB/GYN who has not used a CooperSurgical product at some point in their delivery of healthcare to women. Over the past 23 years, CooperSurgical has made it our business to focus on the OB/GYN and to develop into a company that offers superior clinical expertise to this sector. We understand that managing the OB/GYN segment is complex. It's not just about pregnancy and annual gynecological exams, or management of contraception and menopause. Although these 4 key areas of clinical care are very common, you may be surprised to learn that they make up less than half of all OB/GYN patient visits. There are over a dozen other reasons why women visit OB/GYNs, adding to the complexity of providing care to this segment. Finally, there is a larger others category, which factors in all other reasons women visit the OB/GYN. The complexity and variety of clinical need required within each practice setting calls for a vendor that can also be a partner in providing exceptional clinical expertise. We are that partner, and we can help you manage the complexity, standardize protocols, and reduce utilization. Let's address utilization first. This quote comes from the Association for Healthcare Resource and Materials Management. Reduced product utilization should really be appropriate product utilization. Even with the lowest possible price, if utilization is inappropriate, the cost will remain too high. Recently, the Vice President of Supply Chain for a prestigious and well-known hospital system explained how he was tasked to reduce expenses for his system by $300 million over 5 years. He estimated that 1 to 3% of that reduction could come from vendor price concessions, but the rest would have to come from reduced utilization. CooperSurgical certainly will partner with you on the top part of the triangle, but it is the much larger bottom portion that can create the greatest cost savings. Take, for example, pessaries, her option endometrial ablation designed for the office, Lone Star surgical retractors, and uterine manipulators. Other companies may be able to deliver some similar products, but the true benefit of working with CooperSurgical is the clinical expertise we provide along with the product, so that healthcare facilities utilize these products in the most cost-effective manner. CooperSurgical is unique in that we have over 200 clinically trained utilization specialists who can ensure our products are used optimally, which can help to reduce overall costs. You don't want to compromise on women's health. Women are the ones making important healthcare decisions for their families every day. Therefore, when striving for excellence in patient approval, women are a key group to satisfy. When you use CooperSurgical products, which are the standard of care and the products most OB/GYNs have used from residency to retirement, you will have the peace of mind that you are not compromising on your patient's well-being in this emotionally sensitive specialty. With 52 market-leading brands and more than 600 distinct products, CooperSurgical provides OB/GYNs with virtually everything they need to treat women in all stages of their lives, from adolescence to menopause and beyond. The population of women over the age of 50 is growing, and birth rates are also on the rise, making emphasis on women's healthcare a timely focus. CooperSurgical ships more than 12.5 million products annually, and we can grow that number together with your business. Working with one expert vendor reduces the challenges of product returns, though at CooperSurgical this isn't typically an issue considering our incredibly low product complaint rate. When you select our market-leading brands, you also eliminate many of the hurdles of standardization because our products are preferred and respected by clinicians, greatly reducing physician preference issues. And, as you would expect from a market leader, we continue to make ongoing investments in our infrastructure to ensure our systems and results match your expectations. We want to be your single source for women's healthcare products. As your business transitions, we are uniquely positioned to help you contain costs in the women's health segment. When you consolidate your purchasing of women's healthcare products under one contract with CooperSurgical, you reduce risk by using only trusted, market-leading products that come from a company with a long, strong, proven track record with over 600 products, 200 clinical utilization specialists, all from one company. We look forward to moving to the next step in partnering with you by consolidating your women's healthcare purchases under one contract.